Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In real business scenarios, we often cannot treat every customer, vendor, or product in the same way. Some situations require extra attention, caution, or a special handling. For example, a customer may have reported a recurring issue with previous orders or may have pending payments from earlier invoices. In such cases, the sales or finance team must be alert before creating a new sales order or customer invoice. Similarly, a vendor may have a history of sending defective products or may be temporarily unavailable, such as being on vacation until the end of the year. If this information is not visible at the time of creating a purchase order or vendor bill, it can lead to delays, incorrect decisions, or operational problems. There are also situations during warehouse operations. For example, a delivery location might have special instructions, or inward and outward movements may require special handling. If these details are not communicated during a stock picking operations, it can cause confusion for warehouse team. The same logic applies to product that we sell or purchase. Some products may have known quality issues, usage instructions, or minimum order quantities, such as not allowing sales below 100 units. In such cases, the team must be informed at the moment they try to sell, purchase, or move that product. In all these scenarios, it is important that system automatically display the right message to the right user at the right time. This ensures that team members are informed during operations such as creating sales orders, purchase orders. This is exactly where alerts and warnings in Odoo become extremely useful, helping businesses prevent mistakes, enforce rules, and operate more efficiently. So how we can enable that? Let us see that first. So to enable warning messages, we have to go first on the cells. Configuration, setting, find the warning, cell warning. We have to enable this to show warning during sales order and customer invoice. Save it. Similarly, we have to go on the purchase, configuration, setting. We have to enable this warning here. Get warnings in orders for product or vendor, which is for purchase order and vendor bills. For the vendors, go back, go to the contact. First, we will set warning messages, customer specific and vendor specific. Then we will set on the product. Open this contact, go to notes, warning on sales order invoices. We have to set the warning for the sales order and invoices. This customer has reported recurring issue with previous orders. Save it. On the purchase, we have to set the message, warning message. This message we can set on purchase. This vendor is on vacation until December 2025. Okay, we added all the warning messages here for all the operations, for sales order, invoices, purchase order, bills, and for all kind of a stock operation, inward, outward. Now let's see how we can verify it. Copy this name, go to the sales, create new. Say this customer has reported recurring issue with previous orders. That's what we set here on the warning section for the sales and invoices. So we see this message. Now what will we do? We will go back to the accounting. Customer invoices. Will make the invoice for the same customer. You see here this warning message. So while creating any of the invoice, person who is creating invoice will get this message. So accordingly he can take decision what he has to do. Next, we'll see for the purchase order and vendor bills. Let us go to the purchase orders. new, say this vendor is on vacation until end of the December. So whoever will be creating this purchase order or RFQ, they can take the decision based on this information. Similarly, we can do for the vendor bills. Search this. On the vendor bills also we are getting this message. So based on this message, finance team can take the action. Next, we'll see instructions on the stock operations. On the stock operations, what instructions we are going to get. So go to inventory, operations, deliveries, edit the contact in this outward deliveries, and this message we are getting. The delivery area is at the back of the building. Next, receipt, create new, receive from, select the portion, and this message we are getting now. So it is clear that if we set messages here for the warnings to get on sales order and customer invoices, purchase order and vendor bills, and on the stock operations, we are going to get the warning messages. On inventory, on a stock operation of internal transfer also we are going to get this. If I add contact here, this warning message we are going to get. Next is that how we can enable warning messages on the product, that we can see. So let us navigate to the product, search product, open this product, go to sales. On sales you see here warning on sales order. This product is defective. Let us add this only. And on the purchase what warning we can set? On the purchase we can set this, there is newer version of this product. Add both. Now go back, go to the sales, create new, go to the sales, create new, and the customer and the product. You see here we are getting two messages, one from the customer level, other from the product level. Let's change this customer first, then see this. There is one message only from the product level. So we can sell this product to any customer, and on each customer we are going to get this message. Let's change the other one. We get this message. So this is for the sales order. Now for the invoices, we can see invoices new, add the product first, we get this irrespective of customer. Next we can check on the purchase order. There is newer version of this product. Based on this message, user can take the decision, whoever will be creating this RFQ. Now go to the bills, vendor bills, new, add the product. We see here this warning message. So this is how we can configure the warning messages and alert message. So to enable warning message on any product or to enable warning messages customer specific or vendor specific, what do we have to do and how we have to do that. We saw already how we can enable warning messages for the sales order, invoices, purchase order, bills, and for the stock operations. Once we set warning messages on the product level, it is not specific to any customer, it is product specific. Whenever we sell that product, whenever we purchase that product, based on the messages we set on the purchase level and on the sales level, we get that message. So this is how we can set that and inform to our users, whoever is responsible for whatever they do, they can get that message at the time of creation of these records.